can't see it.
See the button?
Now I'm recording. Yes. Oh my god, I don't know what's up with me with this trip.
Just keep an eye on the numbers.
I am now. Oh my god, look at this land. It does all kinds of waves and all kinds of stuff. It is beautiful. Oh, I need to clean this. Oh, you said this window's from the outside, right? Oh my lord.
Speed limit here is 80 miles per hour.
Nice.
That's cool.
That's good.
The Autobahn in Germany is unlimited. You just can't run out of gas.
Oh, Benji's house.
Just an old abandoned
It's just land and land. It looks like, I don't know what it looks like. Like sand, I think. Like, you know how sand does those things? That's what it looks like. Alright, peeps. I messed up again. I was recording and I totally hit something and it
You guys missed out beautiful views.
No, Benjamin got it.
Leave Sandra to be in charge of the recordings.
Sorry. Should have like a noise that you know that it's on. You know, like beep 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 or something.
Why would it continue to make noise?
So people like me would know.
Local gas station.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Hey, look.
Ooh.
That's a big one.
Aww.
Makes it walk 45.
They say
I need a fresh tank.
All right. Hope you guys are
You're
liking
still
the
recording?
scenery.
What is
Yes.
this? 5 minutes?
No, it's 3 minutes.
Whoa!
Oh.
What a long video.
So, hope you guys are liking the videos. Thumbs up.
Let us know. Long videos or short videos?
Yes, please let us know. Okay? Because Benji says short videos. I say at least 3 to 5.
No, 2 minutes tops.
2 minutes tops. Okay, so you guys let us know. All right? Thank you. Subscribe.